Hi, thank you for coming to another video in this series. Thank you for also taking a look at the last video for compliance patching. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at mapping networks. So working with network diagrams, particularly for our exercise. So network mapping is just a process of identifying or discovering physical connectivity of computers in the network, right? So what we're going to do first is install Zenmap so we can actually take a look at some netcat utility that's built in with the Zenmap GUI, right? Which GUI version of Nmap, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at that so we can get started. All right, so we have everything installed and ready. So now we're going to identify live systems in the network using Zenmap. The Zenmap is typically usually the Nmap security guard, right, for the GUI, right, for Nmap at least. So in this task, I'm just going to use Zenmap to perform a few things like identifying live hosts in the network, displaying identify hosts, and setting some configuration options, right, if I have to. So actually, let's take a look at our first target. Okay. Our first target. Here. There we go. All right. Let's do that here. Let's do some scanning. All right, perfect. Now we can see some action going on. Let's see. Over here. Okay. Now, just to let's see, identify the host. Well, to display them at least. Just going to click here. There we go. See 0.1, a few others. All right, let's take a look at the fisheye view. All right, love it. Let's zoom in a bit. Oh, awesome, awesome. That is awesome. All right, perfect. So we can actually drag any part of the host to focus on, right, and change the view. I mean, it's child's play, but it's pretty cool to me. But for the purpose of the demo, of course, for this demo, we you know the host points are realigned, or they're supposed to. I guess not. But to set more configurations, I can actually take a look at. Let's see. Um, controls. So it this provides a couple of different options, right? As far as the control, um, like action. We can see here installation, layout, view, right, and so on, right? We can set the desired options that we like as far as what's best for us, right? But nonetheless, this was a really quick one as far as videos goes, probably the quickest, but all my very lengthy videos. But I'm glad, I'm happy. This was fun. As far as mapping networks, just to recap what we did, we just worked with the network diagram using the Zenmap, which is the GUI for Nmap, really. And in the next video, actually, we're going to be installing and configuring Manage Engine OP Manager. That's going to be a fun one as well. I hope to see you there in that video. Stay curious, stay secure.